Hello, Aiden. Thanks so much for your question. Now, I can see how you can be confused, but let's try and break down what they've actually done here. Okay, so what they've given us is kind of like an equivalent type of fraction. So they've given us 5 over 2 minus something is going to be equal to 1 over 3. Now, the problem that we're having here is that we can't compare things that don't look the same. We've got a 2 here, we've got a 3 here, and we need something here in the middle that's going to give us an answer that we want. So what we can do is look for an LCM, the lowest common multiple. And the lowest common multiple for 2 and for 3 would be 6. So I'm going to get some number divided by 6 minus some other number, this blocked number that we have here divided by 6 is going to equal to some number divided by 6. Now this first number here, we are going to take 2 over here and multiply it by 3 to get 6, right? Down here, which means on top, we also have to multiply by 3. If we times the bottom by 3, we times the top by 3, and that will give us 15. 15 over 6. And then we're going to do the same with 3. We're going to get 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6. So we're going to multiply by 2 here on the top. And that's going to give us 2 over 6. 1 times 2, that will give us 2 over 6. Now, in order for us to get the number that's sitting over here, because we already have the denominator over here, we need to think 15 minus something will give us 2. And we know 15 minus 13 is going to give us 2. And that is why the answer that you're looking at in this particular question down here in pink over here is 13 over 6, which is the answer we're looking for in this particular sum. I hope that explains the question. Try a couple more of these just so we get used to putting them all over the same under the same denominator so that we can compare them to each other. All right, all the best.